Welcome back. You're still tuned into Mid-Cap Radar. Well, Mayur Uniquoters is the stock on our radar. Reported a mixed set of Q1 earnings. Margins expanded while revenue slipped marginally on a year-on-year basis. Revenue decline is mostly on account of the realization decline. Suresh Kumar Poddar, the CMD and CEO at Mayur Uniquoters, is joining us now. Mr. Poddar, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, you did see gross margin expansion this time around. And with PVC prices now stabilizing, what is the outlook on margins, both on the gross side and the EBITDA margins?
You see, so far margin is concerned, you can see in the last quarter of 2022-23, our PBT was 15%, and now in this quarter it is 20%. So naturally margin is increasing, but so far as stabilization of the PVC prices, these prices started now increasing from last 15 days. Again, it has started increasing. So prices stabilize or do not stabilize, okay, that makes a little bit difference, but not big difference. It depends on how you market your product and all that. So actually PVC and plasticizer, this is just become just like your share market. It's when demand is high, it goes up. When demand is less, it goes down. So we always compare that 5-7% up and down will always be there. So we have to calculate in our costing accordingly.
Okay, fair enough. So can you quantify the increase that you're seeing in the PVC prices?
My sales.
PVC prices.
PVC prices again has gone up. By Chemplast has increased about 9 rupees a kilo. That means about 9%. And plasticizer prices are also increasing from last, you can say, 20 days. It has also increased by 9 to 10%. So, but previously it was down also. So now it is increasing. And it's again, I told you, it is demand and supply. Now China is started doing little better. So therefore the prices started increasing.
Okay. So you did speak about it's all about demand and supply. So can you speak about demand then? Because you do have a sizable exposure to export and domestic markets. You're talking about newer clients as well. What is demand looking like? And especially on the export front, you had earlier guided for a revenue or a top line of 300 crore rupees. Do you think that is achievable or you'll be surpassing that?
No, you see, automobile is doing very good at the moment in export front as well as domestic front. And we are getting good increment in automotive industry. Like our export last year was auto export, I'm talking. It was about 155 crores. And this year I expect minimum 225 crores because we have got a lot of new orders and the domestic USA demand is also increasing. And the way things are moving, I am 100% sure, and the kind of order we already have with us, I think in next 3 years' time, at least we will increase 3 times auto export, 3 to 3.5 times. Because you see, automotive business is always, suppose they want to introduce one new design, that they introduce at least 2 years before. I mean, sourcing the raw material. So we have got the order for new models up to 24, 25 end. I mean, those models which are going to be introduced, we have got the RFQ for those articles. So far automotive is concerned, until unless big thing happens, something I don't know. But what I see at the moment, in next 3 years, we will increase at least 3 to 3.5 times. That means this 155 crore should go up to at least 450 crores. What I see today.
Okay, so extremely bullish on the auto space. That point is taken. But are you as bullish on the footwear space, sir? What is the potential that you can provide us in terms of, say, guidance when it comes to your footwear segment? Because we do understand Zara and 2 more brands have visited your factory. there could be potential orders in the pipeline?
Yeah. You see, so far footwear is concerned, in footwear you will see there are very few companies who are very well organized. I mean, like automotive, they are very organized and they don't change now and then unless the supplier don't supply in time or their quality is not good, then only they change the supply. For one model, if you are supplier, you will be supplier till that model runs. So that is very organized. But in footwear, very few organized companies are there. So it is always, and a lot of companies are coming in leather cloth, which are, they don't have technology, they are just reducing the price. So now I have decided just go for footwear and leather goods to approach all the big brands, because there is a huge difference in the quality and the prices of big brands and local brands. And once they are their supplier, they are supplier for all over world, So we have started working on this and I think we will get the result. And although this is the extra effort we are making, but already wherever in India also we will increase it.
Okay. All right, so we're going to leave it on that note. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that is Mr. Poddar of Mayur Uniquoters. We need to take a short break, but on the other side, we'll be touching base with Nazara Technologies. They're going to be discussing their new investment in an Israeli gaming firm. Stay tuned.